Gap junctions are the places between neurons in the brain that chemicals go through in order to send a signal from one part to another. So, for example, with the ear, which is relevant here, the ear gets sound waves that are sent through. They stimulate the cochlea, and then that makes it have a nerve sends a action potential, and which is just a signal, and sending that signal to the brain so it can process that sound. And it goes through these gap junctions. The chemicals go through these gap junctions um, and travel. And what happens when the GJB3 gene is inhibited is that the permeability of these membranes of this it becomes less permeable, so the chemicals can't travel through, and so the signal can't travel through, and this leads to hearing loss because the signal for the sounds can't travel to the brain to be processed. So this can lead to social isolation and problems with communication because if you can't hear, it makes it harder to speak and respond as might be expected. So there are a few strategies that can be done to help with this. Make sure that excessive noise isn't your son isn't exposed to excessive noise to prevent further hearing loss. And we can make communication easier by planning meetings in quiet places, or making sure that the communication partner has visible lips. There are communication strategies to there's some communication strategies to assist with this, and communicate, let people know that you can't hear as well, and that should help. Hearing aids may also be a potential help to the situation.